Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's menu, we are making super easy, delicious, juicy lobster tail recipe. This baked lobster tails, guys, with melted butter is the perfect meal to serve for a special occasion or for a date night at your home. You can put together a 5-star lobster meal right at your home. Okay guys, let's get started. First things first, we are going to make the butter sauce. Start by combining melted butter, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, lemon juice, salt. Give it a good stir, then add fresh parsley, mix well, then set aside. Now let's move on to prep the lobster tails. First, we are going to cut off the working legs. Next, carefully cut the top part of the shell and stop at the beginning of the tail. This is where you should stop, guys. Do not go all the way down. Next, run inside with a spoon to separate the meat from the shell. Then pull shell apart, wiggle and pull to lift, then pinch the shell and rest the meat on top. Next, rinse the meat under running water and remove the membrane with lemon juice or vinegar, then pat it dry really well. Brush the lobster tails with the butter sauce. Make sure you season it really good, guys. Lift out that meat and season the back too. Then we are going to bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 10 minutes until cooked through. Do not overcook, otherwise you are going to end up with rubbery meat. The lobster tails are out of the oven. They look so delicious, guys. Make sure the internal temperature reaches 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit before you serve them. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.